So I welcome you all at Gantavya Academy, and this is your host Gantavya Darbari. Okay, so let us see some questions, important questions of the chapter Periodic Classification of Elements. Okay, so let us read this question. Read the passage and answer the following question. Mendeleev was a Russian chemist who contributed the most for the development of periodic table of elements wherein the elements were arranged on the basis of their fundamental property, the atomic mass. तो मेंडलीव जो था उसने जो कैटेगराइज किया था पीरियोडिक टेबल जो बनाई थी वो उसका फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टी क्या थी एटॉमिक मास एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द सिमिलरिटी ऑफ केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. Only 63 elements were known at that time. He arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses and found that there was a periodic recurrence of elements with similar physical and chemical properties. He observed that elements with similar properties fall in the same vertical column. These vertical columns are called groups and horizontal rows of elements are called periods. Mendeleev predicted the existence of certain elements not known at that time and named two of them as एका सिलिकॉन एंड एका एल्यूमिनियम. एका सिलिकॉन जो था वो 14 ग्रुप में था और एका एल्यूमिनियम जो था वो 13 ग्रुप में था. Now based on this passage we have to answer some questions. Let's move to the next slide. Name the elements which have taken the place of these elements. So the answer is germanium and gallium. Let us move to the next slide. Mention the group and the period of these elements in the modern periodic table. So germanium is belong to group 14 period 4 and gallium belongs to group 13 period 4. They are in the same period, but in germanium it is 14 group and gallium it is 13 group. Let's move to the next slide. Classify these elements as metals, non-metals and metalloids. So जर्मेनियम जो है वो मेटलॉइड है, यानी उसमें प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स दोनों की प्रॉपर्टीज पाई जाती हैं. वेयरएज गैलियम जो है वो एक मेटल है जिसको हम पोस्ट ट्रांजिशन मेटल्स भी कह सकते हैं. हाउ मेनी वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर इन ईच ऑफ देम. तो अगर मैं जर्मेनियम की बात करूं तो वो ग्रुप 14 को बिलोंग करता है, तो उसमें वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे 4 और गैलियम जो कि बिलोंग करता है 13 ग्रुप को उसमें वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे 3. So that's it. Hope you have understood this question. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. This is your host Gantavya Darbari signing off.